Hello YouTubers. In this video, we're going to see UART transmission. This one transmit, this one receives. I got a button here, I got a LED there. When I press the button and it transmit, LED on. Release, transmit off. Press on, release off. Press on, release off. So how it works is, we got RX and TX of this one connected to TX and RX of this one, and the ground is connected, and through it transmits the data through UART transmission. To show it really works through UART, I'm going to remove these three wires. I'm going to connect a LoRa module to these three wires and another LoRa module to these three sides. So I'm going to show you how it works. I removed the three wires going from here to here, and I put those three wires to the LoRa module, including the power supply. Same here. Now when I switch it on, now press on, take off, off. Press on, take off, off. Now it's transmitting through the wireless to the other module. The wiring connection is like this. I name this module with button. I name this one module with LED. For this one, B1 connected to one side of button, the same pin connected to ground through 1K resistor. Other side of button connected to 3.3 volt. For this one, A1 connected through 220 ohm resistor to the longer pin of LED, shorter pin of LED connected to ground. A9 connected to A10 of this module, A10 connected to A9 of this module. It's vice versa. TX to RX, RX to TX, like that. Both G connected together. Now we connect the ST link to this one with the module with button, and we go to CubeIDE. I have already opened the CubeIDE. I saved it. If anybody who doesn't know how to install CubeIDE and do a simple Blink program, I have made a separate video for them. Now we can continue. Click System Core. Click Sys for the debug serial wire. Click Connectivity. Click UART1 for mode asynchronous. In the configuration, parameter setting, baud rate, I change this to 9600. Now we connect PB1, zoom it bigger, PB1 as GPIO input. That's all the setting for this one. We can click Save. In the description below of this video, I have given website address for this one. When we go there, and the diagram is here and the picture is here. The CubeIDE setting for module with button is here. We already done. The code is here. It's only few lines of code. User code begins 0. We need to copy this one and paste. User code begins 0. We paste that one. Now we go back there. In the while loop, the main while loop, we click from if here until the HAL delay 200. Copy it, and in the main while loop there, here we paste that one. Basically it reads from pin B1, and if it is 0, it transmits 0. That's 48 is for 0. If it is 1, 49, it transmits 1. That's all the code. We can click Save. Use the hammer button to build it and see for any errors. all good. Now you can click the green button to upload the code. Click debugger. I usually use the OpenOCD. It will work with the original STM32 board, also for the clone boards. Click show generate option, and for the reset mode, software system reset. Click apply. Click OK. You can see the progress here. Loaded, all good. Now we unplug the ST-Link and put it to this one module with LED, and open a new STM new CubeIDE project. I opened a new CubeIDE for the module with LED, and for that one we do the same thing. Click system core, click sys, debug serial wire and connectivity, use ART1, it's all same thing. Mode, asynchronous, baud rate 9600. We need to use the same number so that it can communicate. Now for this one we need to use PA1 as a GPIO output. That's the only difference. That's all. We can click save. We can go to the next section for module with LED. The setting is here. The code is here. It's only little code. User code begin 0. We need to copy this one. And we go there. Go to user code begin 0. Here we paste it. And go back there. In the while loop, we need to copy until HAL UART receive, until the second the last bracket. We need to include the bracket as well. Copy it and paste in the same while loop. Here we paste it here. What it basically does is it receives the received data, and if it is 0, LED is off. If it is 1, LED is on. That's all. We can click save. Build and see. 0 error. You can use the same way for the green button and click and upload the code. The code is uploaded. Let's see how it works. On, release, off. Press on, release, off. Now I'm going to remove these 3 cable again. I'm just going to connect the LoRa module to this side, also another LoRa module to this side, and see how it works. We remove these 3 wires and then we can connect the LoRa module. For the module with button, the same A9 and A10 and GN, we need to connect 3.3 volt for the LoRa module. The wiring details are here. Now for the other one, for the LED one, it's the same connection. So we need 2 LoRa module. Now I remove the wire again and we press it on, switch it on, release, off. Now it's actually through UART transmission. Really it going through the LoRa module. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, write in the comment section below. I'll try to answer as much as I can. Thank you. Bye.